My name is Hemang Patel. My project definition is plagiarism checker. So coming to the implementation part, my project makes use of NumPy directory. So I imported NumPy. Then I have imported glob to open particular types of files. Then I have imported OS to interact with computer files and folders. Then I have defined a function named Levenstein. It compares strings with the Levenstein's algorithm. This code makes use of Levenstein algorithm. Then this initialize the 2D matrix. Then this I have defined a NumPy 0 function. It returns an array with a given shape and size. Then this for loops create the 2D array. Then this for loop checks if the alphabet in the strings are at the same position for the plagiarism, and if not, then else statement checks if that are a different position. Then it returns a Levenstein distance because we have defined a NumPy 0 function, so it gives the array of the size, given shape and size. Then this project gives 3 choice for the plagiarism checking. First one for comparing the folder with the master file. फिर the second choice for checking the plagiarism in only 2 files, and third one to check plagiarism in all files. So this k we have initialized k, it just count the number of plagiarized file. In the choice 1 we have to give the percentage of plagiarism we allow. Then we have to give the path of the folder. Then this osc.cdir, it just change the working directory to current directory. Then this myfiles.glob.glob, it reads all the files and print that here. Then we have to give the master file path here. Then this open the file as read only and read the file. Then it eliminate end of line with the space, and then string dot replace function eliminate the space also to convert them into string. Then this for loops print the plagiarized file here. Then if statement checks for the length of the string, which one is bigger, it gives to the length. Then this Levenstein distance, because subtracting the length of minus, it gives the Levenstein distance. It is the plagiarism percentage. If the plagiarism percentage is above we have given, it returns no plagiarized file. If it is low, at this prints the file and the percentage level, and it increment the plagiarized file count. In the choice 2 we have to give the percentage of we allowed. Then we have to give the path of the first file and then the second file. Then it open both the file and eliminate end of line and space here, like the first one. It is for the second file. Then it compare the length of the string and give it to the length to count the Levenstein distance here by subtracting it to with 100. If the plagiarism level is above we have given, then it print the file and the plagiarism percentage here. If no, then it simply returns similarities are below given level. In the third choice we have to give the plagiarism percentage we allow. Then we have to give the path of the first folder. We have to main folder where we have saved all file. Then it change the directory to current directory. Then it opens all the files and print that here. This for loop to check all the files in the folder, all the files. This third one is to check plagiarism on all files. So this for loop is for checking all the files, read the files. Then this if function to check the length, which one is bigger, then give it to length to count the Levenstein distance. If the plagiarism level is greater than we have given, then it prints the file here and plagiarism level. If no, then no document are plagiarized, and this for the error. So coming to the output, it gives 3 choice. First for comparing folder with master file. So first one, percentage, so we give 15%. Then the path of the folder, we copy the path of the folder, then copy, then it then it returns the file and it print the file available in the folder. Then we have to give the path of the master file, so it is main.txt. so yes, it checks and it returns the plagiarized percentage here. So in the second choice, percentage 20%, then path of the first file, it compares two files, so we have to give the path of these two files, sample1.txt, then sample2.txt. yes, then it compares and give the similarity 22.58 similarity. In the third choice, it checks plagiarism in all files in the folder. So third one, 20% we allow. Path of the folder, so it is test files, so given. So yeah, it print all the files available here, then it's compare and give the percentage here. So yeah, this was my project. The link of this GitHub repository and my profile in the description given. Thank you.